Hello students, I am your Abhijit sir and our today's topic is the Stone Age. So in my last video we have already learned about the human evolution, which is the process of changes. Okay, and we also came to the conclusion that the modern society is the consequence of many changes in the history. So the Stone Age is one of the most important part of that. So basically the people when started using stone as their tools are called as Stone Age, which continued till 3000 BCE. And this period is further divided into four categories, which are based on the types of stone tools used by the early people. Now at first, Paleolithic Age, which is Old Stone Age, the earliest Stone Age, then Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic or New Stone Age, and Chalcolithic or Copper Age, which is basically a metal period. So Paleolithic Age, this word comes from the Greek words paleo, that means old, and lithos means stone. So Old Stone Age. The most important feature is the use of stone as tools. So as this is the earliest age of Stone Age, so people just started to learn how to use stones as tools. So the tools were not that much improvised version or not that much polished. Okay, so the common tools including hand axes, scrapers, cleavers, choppers, and hammers. In those days, people used to live in rock shelters, caves, and on trees to protect themselves because they have not yet started to live a settled life and they did not know agriculture. Okay, so basically, they were based on forest products, so they used to hunt animals. So they are called hunter gatherers and they used to wear barks, leaves of trees or skins of animals. Till this age, people did not know the use of cotton. Okay, so later on they discovered fire. When they discovered fire, then they started using fire to give them light, keep them warm, and also used to protect themselves from wild animals. And later on, they also used fire to cook their food. So thus they developed themselves, okay, through the period of time. Then Mesolithic age is continuation, you can say the continuation of Paleolithic age. Nothing major changes happened in this age, but few changes, like in this age people came between the Paleolithic and Neolithic ages, is called Mesolithic ages. And the people of the Mesolithic age started making smaller and sharper stone tools. That means they've improvised themselves, right? The stone tools are now more like polished, okay, and sometimes they used wooden handles also. So then early humans of the Mesolithic age were still hunter gatherers. That means they were still hunter gatherers. As I said, nothing major changes happened in this age. Neolithic change or Neolithic age is one of the most important stone age because many changes happened in this period. This is called New Stone Age. Neo meaning new, lithos meaning stone. So New Stone Age. So what are the changes happened in this period? This age saw the beginning of agriculture. Early humans of this age started farming barley, wheat, and rice. So the beginning of agriculture had a great impact on the lifestyle of the early people. Okay, when people started farming, then they also started living a settled lifestyle. And when they were like they started a settled lifestyle, they started domesticating animals, because now they are stuck to a particular place, so so that they can't go to the forest every time. So they started domesticating animals to fulfill the needs of like meat, then wool, skin of animal, then milk, okay, bones also. So we can say that to fulfill the different necessities of the people, they started domesticating animals. This age, like Neolithic age, were of superior quality compared to the previous two phases of Stone Age. So in this age, people started using tools far superior than the before two ages. We also find tools that were used to dig soil for farming. Okay, so this age saw the emergence of early village communities as people started living together. So thus the village communities grew up. Okay, so people started to settle down in one place and built mud huts. Okay, so now they have started building their house also. Okay, earlier we could see that people used to live in rock shelters, caves, but now they are making their own house, huts, which are basically mud huts. So Neolithic age also saw the invention of wheel, which is a revolutionary uh, discovery. Okay, so when they started using wheel, it had a great impact in the future, because if we just even try to imagine our society without will, we cannot, right? So the revolutionary discovery of will revolutionized transportation and also helped in pottery making. So this is the Neolithic age, as and we could see many changes which are very significant, okay, has been taken in this age, taken place in this place age. Now we will talk about Chalcolithic age. This is a metal age. People so started using metals in this age. So towards the end of the Neolithic age, people started making use of metals along with their stone tools. This period is known as Chalcolithic age. So what are the features of this age? In this period, people started using copper, okay, and however continued to make stone tools. The copper tools used in this age included knives and spearheads. So in this age, people used stone and copper both to make different tools, okay. But later on, people also learned the technique of making bronze, okay, by mixing tin with copper. This is an important sentence, you must underline this, okay. So they learned the technique of making bronze. How? By mixing tin with copper, and bronze was stronger than copper, okay. So it helped them in making better tools, because people needed stronger metal, okay, because they had to work in different places. Like if you want to plow your land, you cannot plow your land with the help of wood, right? You need hard metals, okay. So that is why when they learned making how to make bronze, they started to use bronze to make different tools which are far more better than the previous ones. Then they improved tools greatly, and improved tools means it also improved in the agriculture production. As you are using better tools, so you will also get a better result, right? So there was also an emergence of many crafts such as pottery making, jewelry making, and metal tool making during this age, as people could shape the metals. Okay, so they started making different types of tools and even jewelries. So this age saw the beginning of civilization. Now people started doing agriculture, okay, huge production. So they started using jewelries. They are now settled down in a particular place. So thus they also started to begin the era of civilization. We have learned, I hope you also learned, that there is an example of the first civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so this is just after this period only. Like Indus Valley civilization starts from 2500 BC. Okay, so that civilization belongs to this age, Chalcolithic age. There are some other also, like civilizations were found in Mesopotamian civilization is also an example of that. So students, this is it, and I hope you have understood the chapter, though I have skipped some lines, but you have to read each and every sentence for a better understanding. And if you find any doubt, then you must contact to me. Okay, so thank you so much for today, and next day we will come up with a new video. And about the question answers, students, I will make another video which will cover up all the question answers. Okay, there I will discuss each and every question. And if you want to suggest me anything, any new ideas, you can obviously make a call to me. So this is it for today. Thank you so much.